Anyways, the next award is the Motivator Award. This judged award celebrates the team that exemplifies the essence of the First Tech Challenge competition through team building, team spirit, and First Tech Challenge enthusiasm. This team celebrates their team, their individuality, and their spirit, though while making an impressive effort to make first known throughout their school or community. The third place Motivator Award winner is team number 7266, the Dragonettes from Grinnell County School. The second place Motivator Award winner is team number 4318, the Green Machine from Alaska. This is what the judges had to say about the winner of this Motivator Award. The team embodies the true spirit of First with their outreach. This team leaves the other green with envy. They travel halfway around the world to experience fine cuisine, and it's geared for success. The Motivator Award goes to team number 7265, the Gear Grinders from Grinnell County School. Talk about enthusiasm. Remember, safety first. Please do not run too fast down here. The PT Design Award is our next award. The intent of the PT Design Award is to expand the challenge, inspiring teams to incorporate industrial design into their robots. These elements can be shown in the simplicity of the design as it applies to the task, the look and feel of the robot, and how the designer allows us to think of robots in new ways. The design aspect must serve a function, but they should also differentiate the robot in a unique fashion. Not an easy task with a limited set of parts and game challenges. The third place for the PTC Design Award winner is team number 7393, the Electron Bolt from Robot Sport. The second place, team number 5421, the Armed and Dangerous from Richard Montgomery High School. This is what the judges had to say about the winner of the PTC Design Award. Their use of light and color sensors impressed the judges. This enormous team exemplified great service volunteering in the community. They are a gold mine of robotic prowess. The PTC Design Award goes to team number 8479, the Robot. The next award is the Rockwell Collins Innovative Award. The Rockwell Collins Innovative Award celebrates a team that not only thinks outside the box, but also has the ingenuity and inventiveness to make their design come to life. The award is given to the team that the judges feel is the most innovative and creative robot design solution for the First Tech Challenge to any or all specific field elements or components. Elements of this award include elegant design, robustness, and out-of-the-box thinking with regards to design. This award may address the design of the whole robot or some sub-assembly component attached to the robot. The creative component needs to work consistently, but a robot does not have to work all the time during matches to be considered for this award. The team's engineering notebook showed the design of the components and the team's robot and describes succinctly how the team arrives to that conclusion. The third place Rockwell Collins Innovative Award winner is team number 4318, the Green Machine from Horizon 38. Second place, team number 2818 G-Force from 4-H Gears Incorporated. This is what the judges had to say about the winner of the Rockwell Collins Innovative Award. This team spent a lot of time hanging around on the field today. Your ability to hang left other teams, left other teams green with envy. You got a volt of confidence from the judges. The Rockwell Collins Innovative Award team goes to team number 7393, the Electron Bolts from Dearborn. The next award is the Connect Award. The Connect Award is presented to the team that the judges feel most connected with their local community and the engineering community. The best team is more than the sum of its parts. It recognizes that the schools and communities play an essential part of their success. The recipient of this award is recognized for helping the community understand the first tech challenge, and the team itself. In addition, the team that wins this award is aggressively seeking engineers and exploring the opportunities available in the world of engineering, science, and technology. The Connect Award, the third place for the Connect Award winner is team number 2818 G-Force from 4-H Gears. Number 4318, the Green Machine from Horizon. And here's what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team's effort to reach out to their local STEM community became contagious. They were all well equipped to connect the dots between community, first, and local businesses. This team disarmed the world as TV stars. The Connect Award goes to team number 5421, Armed and Dangerous, with The next award is the Think Award, which is given to the team that the judges feel best understood the role of the engineering notebook in the design process. The engineering notebook is the key reference for judges to help them identify the most deserving team. This team's engineering notebook focuses on the design and build stages of the team's robot and exemplify the journey as a team and engineers. The third place for the Think Award winner is team number 4318, the Green Machine from Horizon. Team number 4081, the Droids from St. Peter and here's what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team's got a plan to win. The hands of many contributed to a well-documented journey of their engineering design process. With the impact of many, their efforts made them a force to be reckoned with indeed. The Think Award goes to team number 2818, G-Force from 4-H. The first alliance that we'd like to recognize are our finalists. This team started out as the 5th ranked team out of the qualification rounds, but became our number 3 ranked alliance in the elimination rounds. Team number 9799. Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. You guys are the finalists. So you get to do it twice. Alright, that was my bad. I'm sorry. Too many papers. All right, we're down to 1 sheet. Okay, let's try this one again. The finalist alliance was the number 1 ranked team. The finalist alliance was team number 4318. They were the first ranked team outside of the qualification rounds, and they decided to pick the number 3 ranked team to join them in the alliance, team number 7393. And the third pick for the finalist alliance, team number 4991, the Gear Breeze. Alright, now we get to the winning alliance. My bad. So again, they were ranked number 5 out of the qualification rounds to become the number 3 alliance captain, team number 9799. Now, before I finish calling the rest of the teams, I was just informed of something. The Battlefield event yesterday was also won by a rookie team. This event was also won by a rookie team. However, they currently hold the highest score so far for the Chesapeake region. So, let's give it a round of applause. So the first pick team for the number 3 alliance, team number 6284. Little Power Blacks. And the last pick for the number 3 seed alliance to become our champions here, team number 4081, the Droids. While I do appreciate the offer for someone to hold my clipboard, I only have one more award, so. The Inspire Award is given to the team that the judges felt truly embodied the challenge of the FTC program. This team serves as an inspiration to what this program and the young minds involved can accomplish. The team that receives this award has performed well in all judging categories and was chosen by the judges as the Model First Tech Challenge team. The judges used match performance, observations made during interviews, and in the pit area, the team's engineering notebook, and performance on the playing field to determine the winner. The third place Inspire Award winner is team number 7393, the Electron Bulls from Gearbox. The second place Inspire Award winner is team number 2818, the G-Force. This is what the judges had to say about the winner of this award. This team is the embodiment of gracious professionalism. They are helpful to others both inside and outside of first. Other bots may be green with envy, but their bot is the most accomplished of all. The Inspire Award goes to team number 4318. Now we come to the part that you're really excited about. Who's going to be going to States, right? You guys want to know who's going to States? Alright, that's cool. No one's going to States. Are you guys excited about who's going to States?
Yeah!
It's our event coordinator, Mr. Bill Duncan.
Thank you very much. So we are advancing 4 teams to our Maryland State Championship, which will be out in February. It's actually the first team will be our Inspire Award winner, Team 4318. The captain of the winning alliance is the next one, Team 9799. Our Inspire Award second place winner, Team 2818. So the winning alliance, the first pick off the winning alliance is Team 6284. Inspire Award third place, Team 7393. Our winning alliance, third pick, second pick, Team 4081. Barring any magic confusion, we'll let you know if we got it wrong, but I think that's correct. I think we're done.